Hi, friends. Many come into the stock market with the intention of making profit, but proper risk to reward has to be accepted. I have noticed people buying stocks, they buy Unitech, and then every day they keep asking, it's a penny stock, but then they keep asking, sir, oh, can I buy now? When is it going up? When is it going to blast? Then they buy stock like Yes Bank. So, is this a way to, what do you say, trade? I mean, see, we have to do some analysis, and then think of the proper risk reward. If I put 1 lakh, how much returns I get? That is important. Not that okay, somebody told me I'll buy you. When you are buying a property or a house, we ask every member in the house, because it is going to be a long term affair. Similarly, we should do some bit of research in the stocks. If somebody says buy stock as bank, okay, what is the risk? How long I have to wait? They said okay, it will double. It will double in 1 year. Okay, 1 year means what is the entry point? What is the exit point? What is my stop loss? How much quantity should I add? Where to add more? Where to? All these things has to be analyzed. Having said that, yesterday, if you remember our video, we said big move coming. And if you notice, we clearly mentioned, we showed in the chart, this is the chart we shared, and we mentioned that there is something big happening. We also clearly, drew. So this analysis is done before the market, before you enter the market. Similarly, I would suggest if you see this, let's see Nifty, just a second. So if you see Nifty, it has been bullish for some time. We mentioned that Nifty is bullish. Bank Nifty has been bearish, but yes, this also will pull up. Now, today is Sensex expiry. I'm sure many are waiting for putting 10 rupees, 100 rupees, and expecting things to move uh, like crazy. Let's look at the chart of Sensex before we even decide what can happen today. Where is it going to head? How do we ascertain where it is going to head? If you see, there is a big candle which is made from 80,400 or 300 to 81,000. Almost 1,000 point rally has been made already. Now, if there is a gap up, okay, let's take example. There is a gap up. Will there be enough of pressure from the bulls to take the market up? Or if there is a gap down, will there be enough pressure to take the market up, down also? So we will have to see that. Now the other thing is Infosys. Infosys, if you see, uh, has rallied. If you, it is almost. Let's look at the chart here. Let me just show you something. This was the first breakout, I think. Suppose that it has been really going very strongly. It has taken multiple. This was the first raised. I think this was if it has twice or third time it has tried to break out. So not that necessary that every breakout has to go up, but so far what we can observe or what is that seen is what we are. So there are of course ways to trade the breakouts. I'm not the right person to, because in breakouts there are other factors to be looked into. Having said that, there is also a chance that this stock, even if it moves up, that the fall can be very quick, because when the what do you say, when the price moves so quickly, The profit booking also can be quick. So we'll have to be cautious, but yes, I would definitely uh, trade this stock. We already have some positions, but we will only trade for maybe for today, and we will close. And we will look at Reliance, because Reliance, I think, results are due on Sunday, if I'm right. So a lot of expectations, and generally my uh, feel is I don't really want to uh, trade Reliance during the news, or but yes, it is good for intraday, not for short term. I mean, not for me, at least for not short term. But if you see the candle here, very nice rally from this level. Big bulls have come here. Let us see where this happened. Uh, so I think if you see here again, this was a breakout, or this was a pattern formed. This dip here, it trapped all the bulls and then has taken back. So this is the way market operates. People would have shorted here, they all got stuck here, and then end up a big rally. In fact, at this place, I think I have drawn this line somewhere sometime. So this again was another breakout. But I don't really recommend people to trade breakouts. I would suggest do analysis much before the breakout if you are able to analyze, and enter. It is good, because here at this point your stop losses becomes very big. If you take a breakout here or buy here, your stop loss cannot be the low, because it again comes back, retests, and then hits your stop loss and goes back. So we need to buy much as before, is what I would suggest. uh, but here also there is another thing which I observed. This was a different pattern where price had to fall. So possibly it's a very tough place where we would have bought gone long here. So now people here, they'll think this is another breakout here, because this also looks like a flag, and they tend to buy. But I would but yes, you may gain some few points here at this breakout, but we cannot hold it for a short term. Don't have a target of 4,000, 5,000 and trade. Yes, you can get 4,000, 5,000 maybe in the one or 1.5 year. So having said that, please trade cautiously, and definitely market will give us gains, but right analysis is required. Pre-market, let's see Infosys. What is the pre-market? Okay, almost 100 points, or 40 plus 40, around 80 points gap up. Now from here, whether it is going to go up or come down is something which I just spoke about. Trade cautiously. God bless you all.